Hi, I'm Elizabeth with Logic Walk, and welcome to Computer Architecture 2, Chapter 1, Introduction to I/O Devices. In today's lesson, we're going to explore how computers receive and process instructions from us and show us the results. Let's get started. Imagine you want to use a computer to check today's weather. First, you would use your mouse to move the pointer to the web browser icon and click on it. Then you would type weather into the search bar and press enter. Then before you know it, the computer displays the weather information on the monitor or the computer screen. In this example, you interacted with the computer using two types of devices: input devices and output devices. Input devices are the tools you use to give commands or data to the computer. In our weather example, the mouse and keyboard are input devices. The mouse lets you click and the computer lets you type. Output devices are the devices that show you the results of your commands, such as the computer monitor displaying the weather information. Both input and output devices, often referred to as I/O devices, are essential. Think about trying to use a computer without a keyboard or a phone with a broken touchscreen. It just wouldn't work. Some devices have the unique ability to both send and receive information. Let's break down our weather example to see how this works. First, we use our input devices to click on the weather browser and type the weather into the search bar. Then your computer, let's call it computer A, sends your search request to a network device. The network device then forwards the request to another computer. Let's call it computer B. After processing the request, computer B sends the weather information back to the network device. Then the network device sends this data back to computer A, which finally displays the weather on your monitor. As you can see from the diagram, the network device both sends and receives data. So network devices function as both an input and output device. Before we move on, remember that the interactions in this lesson have been simplified to help you understand the basic roles of input and output devices. Throughout this course, we'll explore these interactions in more detail using the Logic Walk computer simulator that we've used in previous courses.